Guys, today I want to do a close-up video of our micro slim forehead warning bar. It comes with a cigarette lighter plug with a pattern change switch and an on and off switch. And I just wanted you guys to come see in detail the uniqueness, the details of this track advisor. It has a track in the back. You could put it comes with the proper bolts and L brackets. You can mount these basically anywhere in your vehicle, inside or outside. Uses our micro slim modules, and I know you've heard me say this numerous times. These micro slim modules, they're bright, they're effective, they get the job done, they move traffic. You can't go wrong with such a traffic advisor warning bar. Great head-on lighting, great off-axis lighting, weatherproof, waterproof, slim, doesn't take up a lot of space, only 2 inches from front to back. This one is 18 and a half inches wide. Get it in, look at it, it's bright. You won't be able to look at these longer from 1 second without seeing stars. I'm very happy with this effects of this traffic advisor warning bar we created here at LEDoutfitters.com, and we owe it to our customers who have suggested. They've always told us we want a bright product, inexpensive, unique, sleek, and doesn't take up too much space. And ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Again, it's small, it's unique, it's solid. Every single module is waterproofed individually. The flasher inside is waterproof. I don't see anything going wrong. The wire comes out from the side. It's a 12-inch wire, a thick wire, nice gauge. This is a good quality, solid product that you can't go wrong with. And I wanted to mention one more thing about our products. Before buying a product from any manufacturer, from any supplier, there's tons of great ones out there. Call the company before you put in your credit card number. Make sure there's someone who will answer the phone. Make sure someone is there to answer your questions. I hear horror stories from customers who call and say, we ordered from XYZ and we're waiting 3 months for the product. And I tell them, no problem. Place the order with us. I'll get you a tracking number within 24 hours. Thank you for making us one of the leaders in LED emergency vehicle warning. And guys, you're like family to us. Thank you and have a great day.